So today was quite interesting. So today's topic, well, let's just talk about today, because honestly, there really isn't much of a topic, because I was just kind of shooting videos all day, and I didn't learn, well, actually, yes, I did. Let's just talk about how stressful it might have been for David. Like, I really don't know how he saw it in his point of view, but I could just tell by his vibe that he was low-key stressed out because he had to manage a lot of folks there. So, you know, I'm low-key glad I didn't have to direct all of those people. And on top of that, it wasn't even a paid event. It was just a volunteer event. So some people came late and some people just didn't know what to do. And like, people just were kind of lost, right? And, you know, I get it. If you ain't getting paid for something, then, you know, why do it? That's pretty much like, I get it, you know, I understand both sides. But I'm not gonna lie, I had fun. It was great, you know, I was able to experience a whole room of different settings, different rooms, different angles, different point of views, because they weren't really my shot, you know. It was directed by David. He was telling me how to take these shots here and there. And, you know, I had put a little bit of my twist in there, here and there. I took a couple of clips of those. And then, I keep forgetting that, like, I low-key get too comfortable when I'm out in public because that's just who I am. I keep forgetting that people don't know me that close, that well. So maybe I should just kind of tone it down, to be honest. But hey, man, that's just me. I can be quite awkward, to be honest. And I think it's just the fact that I'm getting more comfortable being in front of a camera. And if I'm not the way I am in front of the camera, then I shouldn't be. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I'm gonna be the way I am in front of the camera, I'm gonna be the way I am. I'm gonna be the same way in person. You feel me? I don't know. Maybe I should kind of twist that up, but at the same time, like, why the hell am I gonna change for anybody? So, anyways. Yeah, it was a good experience, you know what I'm saying? It was a great experience of having different personalities in one room. Some people definitely know how to make it awkward, and some people know how to light things up, you know? People actually know how to have a conversation. And yeah, that was like the ups and downs about that. For future reference for myself, like, yo, I now can see, I guess I could figure out how to plan out a whole video shoot if I were to direct it, but obviously that type of video shoot is definitely not going to be in my type of niche, in my type of genre. I'm going to be doing it something in a lot more simpler way, and it gave me definitely an eye-opener of like what type of paperwork I should do when it comes to those type of shoots or anything like that, or having some type of form of paperwork in general. You know, because there's people that want to have certain things this way, certain things that way, and I get it, completely understand. I don't know, man. It was like a bunch of people, and I don't know how he was able to manage. You know, and some people didn't even show up. You know, that's like the crazy thing. And people are probably gonna give David a couple of BS excuses on why they weren't able to make it. I mean, honestly, to me, if you can't make it, just say you couldn't make it. You know, just say I can't make it. Boom. You know, simple as that. Rather than just leaving them hanging and then finding an excuse. It's just plain and simple. Like, you don't even have to give that person a reason in the first place. It's just that you can't make it. You know what I'm saying? That's a lot more of a good reason of not being able to make it. You know what I'm saying? But hey, man, I don't know what your situation is, so it is what it is. And let me see what else that I learned today. Yo, shooting in the heat. Oh, I already knew that because I did a vlog-based video, you know, a couple weeks ago in the heat, and it is no bueno. But yo, man, Florida during the summer is a no bueno. That thing is just dumb hot. It's too hot, and it makes a lot of people angry and irritated, and everybody just wants to go home. And that's how I felt at the end of the shoot. I was like, yo, bro, I gotta go. I'm good. I'm done. Like, this is it, man. This is my time. I gotta go. I'm out. Like, dude. But went ahead and went full clutch, full video mode to the last battery percentage of my camera that I'm using now. Charged it up before I got home, obviously, and used it all the way through, and we finished every single shot and every single scene, you know, everything that we had to do. And boom, that was pretty much my whole entire day. Excuse me. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. Hopefully tomorrow's video could be 10 times better, more context, more video edits here and there. I don't know. I just know I'm tired. Just got out of a huge fever migraine thing, out of the blue too. I mean, I feel good now, but you know, I don't want to push it and get back into that crappy feeling. So I'm definitely gonna rest up and just call it a day. But anyways, you guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching my content, even on the dry days. I know things are gonna get a lot better over time. But that's it, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.